Hey guys, Demis here. Uh, I'm actually going to time myself to see how long it's going to take to push 60 pixels through the HD color strip using the Pixel Pliers. From start to finish, that will include putting one of these rings to each end of the strip for a little bit more durability while it's hanging outside. Since here in Virginia, the weather is not really optimal. It gets super cold here. We get really crazy winds. Last year we had like 50-mile-an-hour winds. So, but I'll keep it short. Here we go. Let's get this started. All right. And I'm not rushing through it. This is just my usual process. See, everybody puts different videos up there using a drill press, using jigs, sockets, and whatnot. But let's see how long it's going to take. The first pixel is the tricky one, but once you got that in, you could actually speed up and move forward a lot faster. I spaced my pixel at 2 inches. These are for my pixel tree, or mega tree I should say. I'm adding more strips to it this year. I'm going from 16 to 32. I have 3 trees. One of them takes 100 pixels, the other 2 take 60 pixels. So the 16 strips, not pixels, 16 strips. Last year, the more I look at the tree, the density is nice, but it's not dense enough for me, at least, and my wife agrees. So I always say I'm not gonna add any more pixels. I'm not gonna add any more pixels, and here we go. I'm adding 5,000 more pixels this year. I don't know why, but it's the love of the season, I guess, or the love of the hobby. So, but if you guys see, I'm not putting too much pressure at all, and they're snapping them very quick. You're in control. Positioning yourself is, I guess, key to find your comfort zone, to move faster or slower. I say you don't really need to rush, especially if you can sit in your living room or somewhere that you can listen to music or have the TV on, or carry on a conversation with somebody. But we just hit the 3-minute mark from the start. And I think I'm halfway through. I didn't count how many pixels I have so far, but it feels like I'm halfway through. So if you guys are doing 100 pixels a strip, or 150 pixels a strip, or 200 pixels a strip, depending on the density, I know some people like to do 1 inch spacing, which I think that's a lot. That's a very dense tree, if you ask me. But hey, if you want to do it, more power to you. Especially when you go that high, it's gonna get really, really heavy. So gotta count for that weight that you're adding on. So I have to basically balance out my tree somehow when I raise it up, because my 100 pixel tree sits at its highest point about 21 feet tall. So that's including the star. We are near the end. And I swear I'm not rushing. This is my normal speed. I just want to show the process using the Pixel Pliers, how fast you could actually push pixels through the strip. So we're coming close to the almost the last one. So I'm not going to put the last one in because I need to cut the strip down. Here. Put this there. Make the hole slightly bigger. There you have it, guys. The very last strip is gonna go in. Boom. I'm gonna stop. Look at that, 6 minutes. See if you can see this. 6 minutes and 11 seconds, 12 seconds. 6 minutes and 12 seconds. So, I'd say 100 pixel strip will take you 10 minutes to do. Right? So, 10 minutes if you have 32 strips. What is that? Can't count. What is it? A little bit over 2 hours, I would think. It's 300 minutes. No. 300 minutes, that's like 5 hours, I would say. But, I mean, 6 minutes or 10 minutes to do a single strip, I think it's pretty good. Especially you don't have to have a drill press. I don't think you need any special gadget to do it. But, I mean, you saw, I didn't use anything. I didn't use force. I could sit here for 3 or 4 hours and go, just push pixels. But yeah, I welcome everyone's comments, feedback, how they like their pliers, if they have any, or if they're thinking about getting them. Other than that, talk to you guys later. Thank you.